The heater and air conditioner controls are located on the center display and also here, underneath the display. Touch this key or press this switch to turn the heater and air conditioner system on. Then use these keys or this switch to manually set the desired temperature. This key can also slide up or down to adjust the temperature. Touch this key or press this switch, and the system will automatically regulate and maintain fan speed, airflow, and temperature in the cabin. Use these keys to select from the available airflow modes. The icons indicate which outlets are active. Use these keys to control the airflow strength. Touch this key to activate sync mode. When sync mode is active, the driver's side temperature control will control the driver, front passenger, and rear passenger temperatures. If a passenger manually adjusts their temperature, sync mode will be deactivated. This key or this switch controls the vehicle's air intake. Touch the key or press the switch to turn it orange and recirculate air inside your vehicle. This increases AC efficiency and helps to block outside odors. Touch or press to turn it white in order to draw in fresh outside air, improving your vehicle's defogging performance. When this icon is displayed, the air intake will be controlled automatically. Touch this key to manually turn the air conditioner on or off. In hot or humid conditions, a visible mist may be seen coming from the vents when the air conditioner is active. This does not indicate a malfunction. If your vehicle is equipped with biometric cooling, the system will control airflow based on various conditions, including the temperature of passenger faces. When the front passenger seat is occupied with the seatbelt fastened and the system detects a high temperature, the airflow volume to the front seat will be increased for a period of time. When a second row seat is occupied with the seatbelt fastened and the system detects a high temperature, the airflow volume will be increased to the second and third row for a period of time. The system does not have the capability to identify individual passengers, and body temperature readings do not leave the vehicle. To enable or disable the system, touch Settings, then Biometric Cooling, BioCool, to toggle the system on or off. When biometric cooling is active, this key is shown in white. To defrost or defog front and side windows, press this switch. This indicator light may also illuminate because the AC compressor is activated to help dry the air and improve window clearing performance. The air can still be fully warmed with the AC activated. Push this switch to defrost or defog the rear window and outside mirrors. If not turned off manually, this function will automatically deactivate in a period of time. There are sensors located on the lower instrument panel and on top of the dashboard near the windshield that help regulate the automatic climate control settings. Do not put anything on or around these sensors. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.